Hi, I'm Brandon Tupper, the Assistant Town Engineer. Today we're here to talk about the Advanced Traffic Management System Project, Phase 1. What this project is an intelligent transportation system. All 26 signals within town will have all the equipment replaced with state-of-the-art, up-to-date detection equipment. This means that all the signals can be synchronized and reduce congestion mitigation throughout town.
Hey, I'm Alex Boer with the Town of Farragut. I'm an engineering technician and I'm standing in front of one of our traffic control cabinets. All right, so this is the inside of our traffic control box. Right here is our controller. So this controls all of our signals. You see it shows G for green, R for red, and that controls the timing and everything. One of the many problems we face when dealing with traffic is one of our detectors might go down, so our loops in the ground or our cameras that watch the intersections to make the lights change won't work, and we have to physically come out and inspect every single one to make sure that they're in operating conditions. But with the new system, all of this will be replaced with new state-of-the-art materials and new devices. And it'll all be centrally controlled, and we'll be able to monitor everything from our control center at Town Hall. Making it a lot easier to know what specifically is the issue, so that when we get out to the field to change it, we can make those changes quickly.
Thank you for joining us. Construction is scheduled to start in the spring of 2023 and will last about 18 months. This project will be a great asset for our community as we continue to enhance Farragut's infrastructure.